Global change glazing. This is a feature that allows you to effectively facade engineer the glazing and the shading devices on the building model. You can see here the north arrow pointing up the screen, so these are representative of an east face and a southwest face and a west face. What we can do using the global change glazing editor is to globally change the glazing, or as I say on a much more explicit basis using facade details. To do this, into the edit menu, select global change glazing. We decide on the face orientation we want to change, so I'm going to select the east, the southeast, the south and the west. We then decide on the change that we're going to make. So for example, if we're going to introduce some sort of shading device, we can decide on the type of shading device. It may be some sort of internal Venetian blind. We can select the location. We can also select the slat color, the angle of the slats with respect to the horizontal. We can apply the change, and then to actually make the change we select the Execute Changes button. If we then go into any of these rooms and go into the face data, if we go into the wall, you can see the currently highlighted wall on the south face here. Go into external windows, select the window and into the blinds property, and you can see there's all the properties of the blind we've applied to this particular face. If we go into another room with a north aspect, into the face data, we'll find on that window we don't have any blinds or glazing shading devices at all, because that wasn't part of the facade we decided to change. We can make these changes for glazing types as well, so not only are you changing the shading devices, you can nominate on the global change glazing option, you can change from one glazing type to another on a more explicit basis as well. And of course you've still got the facility to go into each individual room space and change the glazing on that basis as well.